Okay, so let me go ahead and show y'all some of the stuff that I use for my hair. So in that spray bottle, it's water and it has some aloe vera juice. And let me show y'all what else is in it. Hold on. I use some of this vegetable glycerin, some of my oil. For those of y'all who don't know, I used to sell oil. I used to make my oil and sell my oil. I really don't sell it no more because it's like more money for me making the oil than I actually was selling, and I actually just use it on me and my family and some of my clients that I still have. So I still have oil, y'all. But yeah, so I use my oil. And I think that's it, y'all. I do use, let me show y'all. I do use Dr. Bronners shampoo. It's, I ain't gonna say it's not the best, but it's good for like stripping your hair like of all dirts and oils and stuff. And you really don't have to use that every time you wash your hair, but yeah, I use it. But this right here, this Design Essentials and this oat one, oat protein and henna, and it's another one. I'm gonna see if I can get the picture and put it up here for y'all. But I use this to wash my hair and our hair and stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my hair care day. Maybe I'll get into like the washing and stuff next time when I do like a hair care day. But y'all, this is just one of the styles that I like to wear when I don't really know what to do with my hair and I haven't had a retwist, and you know, I just want to do something. And plus it's like a 2-style hairdo. You know, you can wear it up, or when you take it down, it's gonna be curly. So anyways, I will see y'all on my next hair care video, or y'all could just go on over and catch me on my vlogs or some of my recipe videos. Let me know what else y'all want to see though. Bye.
Hit that subscribe button.